Start button on Ikea Whirlpool 602.889.18 microwave.
Do you know the model of your Whirlpool microwave? How old is it?
Start button on Ikea Whirlpool microwave is stuck and cannot push into start. Model 602.889.18 built March 2015.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool microwave? What have you tried so far?
Just started last night. I've tried to push all other buttons and they work.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing else to add, sorry.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues with your appliance. I understand how frustrating that must be. So hopefully we can get this resolved quickly. Note, however, I'll also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in my responses, so do not panic, just wait for my reply. May I have the appliance's model number, please? And the number of 602.889.18 is not a Whirlpool model number.
Sorry, it was manufactured Sept 2015. SN D5360543 E61582.
Okay, and none of those numbers are a model number either.
Those were the only numbers I could find. Let's stick to the typing for now, thanks.
Note, the website we both are using sent you the phone request. It was not from me.
Sorry. Found some more numbers. IBM's 1455 DS00FCC, Kawap IBM's 1450.
Okay, the model number is IBM's 1455 DS00. Give me a moment, please. So if the start button is unresponsive to you pressing it, then you will need to replace the switch control board. And this company does ship to Canada. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee for an entire year. And offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.